Dear students, in the last sessions we completed the condition statements. Conditional statements are completed. If else this part we completed. So now let us go to this loops, control statements or operator statements. So we need to discuss for while do while syntaxes. Let us discuss some problems. First of all, what is the loop? Suppose if you want to execute set of statements repeatedly, then we are using the loop. Set of statements we are executing repeatedly number of times, then it is called a loop. So for these three statements are there. Three steps. One is initialization, one is condition, checking whether it is true or not. We are updating the expression. These three statements are important. So we'll see the syntax. What is the syntax of there are three loops. We will see one by one. Generally, if I consider for loop, first we are taking initialization. Initialization. Suppose I am taking I equal to 1. Okay, and I less than some condition I am taking. I less than or equal to 10. And this initialization over, condition checking over. Next, we have to update the expression. So I'm writing some I plus plus. So what is happening here? Let us see. Suppose I want to print the values. So in this case, what is happening? First of all, the control will go to this. Next, it will go to condition checking. First, in the memory location, there is a memory location I, that value is 1. Okay, now it is going to here with the condition. So the condition is true. 1 less than or equal to 10. Condition is true. Condition true means we come to the. So somewhere output is there. Output, what happens? 1 will be. Next, what happens? It will go to update the expression. Update the expression. Now what happens? I plus plus. I plus plus means incremented by 1. So 1 becomes 2. Next, it will go to condition again. So now it is a condition now a less than 10. That means 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition 3. Condition 2 means again comes down and C out means I value will be printed. Simple. Next again it will be going up. A condition checking 3 less than or equal to 10. Condition 2. 3 will be printed. Similar process, 4 will be printed, 5 will be printed, 6 will be printed, 7 will be printed, 8 will be printed, 9 will be printed. Okay? The values are changing. 3, 5, okay, 6. The values are updating like 9, 10. Okay? So 10 will be printed. Next, what happens? After incrementing 10, again I plus plus it becomes 11. Now what happens here is 11 less than or equal to 10. 11 less than or equal to 10 means condition false. Okay, up to here 10 less than or equal to 10, condition is true. Okay, so whenever condition is false, okay, so when condition is false, as long as the condition is true, it will come here if it is true. It is true. But whenever it is false, okay, whenever it is false, it will come out. It will come out. If it is false, directly it will connect to the next statement. Whatever the statements are here, that will be executed. So this is the syntax engine. First initialization. Initialization will take place. Initialization will take place. Next condition checking will be taking place. Next updation. The three statements are important. Initialization, condition checking, and updation. So we'll see one program in the below. So simple and for loop and I equal to 1. I less than or equal to I plus plus. And I'm printing zero. Where let us see what I have to plus. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Up to 10 printed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Suppose if you want space, just you give /t so that you will get space between the numbers. 1, 2, 3. So this is the process for loop actually. First initialization taking place here. Initialization is taking place. Next, I value condition checking. Next, coming down, statements will be executed. If you want to execute more statements, you have to give curly braces. For one statement, curly braces not required. It is optional. Next, again, it goes to the increment. Again, checking the entire process will go. So the set of statements repeated. Set of statements repeated. This is regarding for. Next, we will take while loop. So in while loop also same thing actually. See here. First, initially we are taking initialization. I value 1. And we are checking the condition. While I less than or equal to. We are printing something. See out I /t and I plus plus. So you want to execute two statements here. So what happens? Curly braces. Curly braces. So here also same thing. What will happen? Let us see. First, initially implemented 1. I value 1. I is the memory location. This is 1. Next, we are checking the condition. Second step. So 1 less than or equal to that condition. So true means it is coming down. And I will be printed. This is printed in output 1 is printed. And next /t means space. Some space where we. Next I increments 2. So this becomes 2. Third step. Again it is going up. So again I less than or equal to 10. That means 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition 2. Condition 2 means coming down. Coming into the black. And this I will be printed. So 2 will be printed. and space. Next, I becomes 3. So the same process repeats till 9. Okay, next to 10. Okay, 10 less than or equal to 10. Condition 10 will be printed. 10 will be printed. Next, I becomes 11. 11 less than or equal to 10. Condition false. Condition false means directly it will come out. So condition, whenever it is condition true, this will be executed. True means this will be executed. False means if it is false, directly it is coming next to here. False. Whenever condition is true, it is repeating. Statements are repeating. Statements are. So next we will see a do while loop. One more loop is there. Do while the process is also similar. The first we are taking this instead of taking this condition we are taking at the end. See the only change here. At the end we are taking. Here we are using do while. And here we are we have to give semicolon. This is compulsory. Semicolon is compulsory for do while. So generally for if we switch for while loop we are not giving semicolon. But for this compulsory semicolon. Now the process is saved. For example, if I am giving less than or equal to 5, 5 will be bracket instead. 5 will be. Here also same process. First we are initializing happened. First I equal to 1, same process. Next it is coming here. There is no condition actually. First statement automatically it will execute. First statement. No condition. When output this I will be printed. 1 will be printed. Next space is there. Space. Next I plus plus. So it becomes 2. Okay. So now it is checking condition. Here. 2 less than or equal to 5. Yes. Condition is true. Now again it is going up. Here again I will be printed 2. Space. Space is 2 and space printed. And again I becomes 3. 3 less than or equal to 5. Condition again going up. And 3 will be printed. Space is printed. I becomes 4. I becomes 4 here. Now again next condition. 4 less than or equal to 5. Condition true. And again going up. Okay. And this becomes 5. Okay. So 5 will be printed. Space will be. Now I increment. I increment 6. If 5 less than or equal to 5 condition true. Next 6 less than or equal to 5 condition. This is false. When condition is false, whenever the condition is false, when it is true, here it is going like this. But whenever it is false, if it is false, condition is false, so it won't repeat. It will come to the next statement. The condition is true, it is repeating. When condition is false, it is coming down. It will not repeat the statements. It will not repeat the statement. So this is regarding for loop, while loop, and do while. Now let us see the syntaxes of for loop syntax. For loop syntax is here. Say initialization is taking place. initialization is taking place, condition checking and duration and body. Similarly, in while loop also same case. Next initialization, next condition, next body, whatever you want to execute, and this. So in all the three cases, when condition is true, then only the block will be executed. Set of statements will be executed. When condition is false, it will come out. The loop will be terminated. Even in the do while also. Do while it is called exit control. Why? Because we are checking the condition at the exit, not at the entry. So by default, first block will be executed. This block will be executed automatically. Even the condition is false. Condition is true. They are not checking any condition. So it is exit loop, exit control loop. While loop is entry control loop also. Both are coming for and while both are coming under entry control. Here this is exit control. So while now let us see some more programs. You to understand the patient process. Next, I would like to take one simple program. Here I would like to calculate suppose if I am taking one number, I want to calculate the digits. Suppose I am taking 3, 20. So I want to calculate this is input actually. This is given number input. So what I want to do is I want to calculate sum of digits. So the output should be 3 plus 2 plus 5. So it should be 10. So here we have to do some process. This is the output. So how to do the process? What we will see here. So here generally how we can get 5 from the number. Each and every digit how to take this 5, how to take. How to consider this 10 and how to take these 3. For this purpose, we are using the modulus concept. Suppose if it is n, suppose. Okay. So n percentage 10. N percentage 10 means what we will get? Generally 32, 320, and remainder is 5. So we are getting 1 digit, 5. 5 we are getting. Similarly, next what to do? Next we have to take care of 32. Take care of 32. 32 again we have to divide with it. If you are taking 32 and dividing with it 10 again. Okay. Next what happens? You will get 2. You will get second digit. First digit you are getting here. Next you are taking n equal to some n by 10. N equal to some n by 10 you have to consider. Whatever the n you are getting here, that will be updated. That will be updated. Now we need to take one while loop. While loop we have to proceed. While how long we have to continue again? This 5 you got, 2 you got, again 3 you are going to consider this. So 5 plus 2 plus next again 3 we are getting, and again 3 also we are dividing with the modulo we are taking. So we are getting one more digit. Okay, so finally we can add this also. This both we can add. So for that we can take sum equal to 0. Sum equal to 0, and you take sum equal to sum plus D. This is the process. For this, you have to take one loop. One loop. So let us execute this. So for this, what is the required input is one value, only one value. See out, see out, enter in. What we doing? Here, take sum equal to 0, both side. Sum equal to 0. Why? It will the condition. How long we should continue? Till n not equal to 0. N not equal to 0. And here what is happening? D equal to n percentage 10. Sum equal to sum plus D. And n equal to n by 10. Now this output we are getting. See out. See out. More digits. Okay. Now let us see what is the output. What are the required variables? Sum is required. D is required. Now I'm taking 325. Yes. 325 I'm taking some of the digits. Some of the digits I'm getting 10. Some of the digits 10 I'm getting. Okay. So let us see same process or tracing process one more time. So here what is happening actually? First we are taking n. Okay? N equal to 325. Next we are taking one variable. In one variable we are taking 325. Let's see n. Next we are taking sum equal to 3. Sum equal to 0 we are taking. Next we are checking the condition. So is it not equal to 0? Yes. 325 not equal to 0. Yes, true. Next we are taking D, another variable D. Okay. D is another variable we are taking. Here you can consider D. D is n percentage 10. 325 divided with 10. Like 320. So you are getting remainder 5. Always modulus means so this 5 will be stored here. Next, what is happening? Sum is equal to sum plus 0. Means 0 plus 5. So this becomes 5. It becomes 5. Next, what is happening? Next statement n equal to n by 10. By 10, how much already we did? Only quotient we will get. Modulus percentage means remainder. Slash means quotient. Slash is slash means quotient. Percentage means remainder. So this becomes 32. This becomes 32. And again, what happens? It goes to upward. It goes to upward. Now again it is checking. Not equal to 0. N not equal to 0, 32. 32 not equal to 0. Yes, condition true. Again went down. And D equal to n percentage 10. Now what is n? 32. 32. Now change it. 325 change it to 32. So 32 and again we are dividing with 10. So remainder is 2. Okay, that remainder 2 stored in D. So this becomes 2 now. Now sum equal to next statement, sum equal to sum plus D. 5 plus 2 becomes 7. Okay. Next, n equal to n by 10. N by 10 means previously we got 3. So now this 32 replace with the 3. 32 replace with the 3. And again going up. 3 not equal to 0. Yes, condition going down. And D equal to, and again 3 percentage 10. 3 percentage 10. So remainder is 3. Sorry. Remainder is 3. Remainder 3 is stored in D. So remainder 3 stored in D. And again sum equal to sum plus D. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 stored here. Now again n equal to n by 10. N by 10 means 0. 0. Answer is 0. Here 3 becomes 0. Now again going up. Here 0 not equal to 0. Condition false. Condition false means it will come out directly. Whenever condition is false, okay, whenever any condition is true, here true means it will be here. False means condition directly it will go to the next statement. The next statement of the loop. Whenever condition is false. True means inside. Condition false means some of the digits. Some will be printed. That is some values 10. So that is printed. This repetition is going on. How the memory locations are changing. This is 10. First do the analysis, then you write the code. So remaining programs we will see in the next session.